Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll show you how to unlock permanently lock Snapchat. So the first thing you simply need to do is open your browser. On the search bar click over there and search Snapchat team support. Your Snapchat support will look like this. When you enter on Snapchat support, now you need to scroll down and tap on contact us. Now you need to submit your problem. After that, scroll down and you need to enter your username, email, mobile number. Also, you can add description on this box. When you finish entering your description or problem, then tap on submit. Snapchat has sent link to your phone number or email to reset your password. Let's go to home and here you can see link has been sent. Tap on the link. And here you can change your password and also set a new password and confirm it. And this is how we can unlock permanently locked Snapchat. Thank you for watching.